Does using a dishwasher sanitize dishes effectively? Imagine coming home after a busy day and knowing your dishes are not just clean but also safe to use. That's the promise of modern dishwashers, but do they really kill germs and bacteria? Let's find out. Dishwashers can sanitize dishes effectively, especially when you choose the special Sanitize cycle. This cycle heats water to at least 150 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 65 degrees Celsius. That high temperature is enough to kill 99.9% to 99.999% of common bacteria, viruses, and other microbes on your dishes. Many dishwashers are certified by organizations like the National Sanitation Foundation, which means they meet strict standards for sanitization. The Sanitize cycle usually takes longer and uses hotter water than regular wash cycles to ensure thorough cleaning. Regular dishwasher cycles do a good job of cleaning dishes by removing food residues and microbes with hot water and special detergents. However, they might not always kill all bacteria, especially if the load is heavily soiled or if the cycle is shorter. The Sanitize cycle is especially useful for items that need extra hygiene, such as baby bottles, cutting boards, or utensils used for raw meat. Dishwashers are better at sanitizing than hand washing because they reach much higher water temperatures. Hand washing typically uses water below 120 degrees Fahrenheit, which isn't hot enough to kill many bacteria effectively. Dishwashing detergents are designed to work with hot water and mechanical action, helping to clean and sanitize at the same time. To get the best results, always use the Sanitize cycle when needed, load dishes properly so water can reach all surfaces, and use the recommended amount of detergent. It's also good to clean your dishwasher's filter regularly and run a cleaning cycle with a bleach-based cleaner every few months. In summary, dishwashers do a good job of sanitizing dishes, especially when you use the Sanitize cycle. They combine high temperatures and effective detergents to kill germs and bacteria, making them a reliable choice for keeping your dishes safe and clean.